Hello everyone, it's me Nini and welcome to Remote Philippines Job. And today we have here Miss Allison.
Hi everyone.
So Miss Allison is one of our amazing remote team members here in the Remote Philippines Job. And we want to give you what exactly it really looks like working with us behind the scene. But before we proceed to our interview questions and testimonies, Miss Allison, can you first introduce yourself?
Yes, hello po everyone. I am Alison Fleetwick Rivero, a part of the recruiting team po of remote jobs, specifically po sa human resource.
So Miss Allison, before applying to our company, do you have some previous job and what is it?
So far po, it is my first job since I am a fresh graduate po. And I'm currently working po for a month pa lang po. Newbie po talaga, beginner.
So you're really a fresh grad, so hindi ka ba nagkalawang isip na baka hindi ka matanggap since you don't have any experience yet?
At syempre po, parang part talaga siya ng na magdadalawang isip ka or isipin mo din na parang scam po yung job. Pero alam doing naman po through the email po and ano po na legit naman since nagdaan na po ako sa process naman, smooth naman yung process and I've been interviewed naman po for 2 times.
So saan mo ba nakita yung company natin? Is it on social media just like TikTok, Facebook, or is it on onlinejobs.ph or even a referral of a friend?
I found the job po through TikTok po while I'm scrolling. Then I saw po, like this, an interview po with Miss Nini and the other applicants po na nag-work na din. And then I tried applying po since may link po doon sa bio po.
So parang parang ang random lang kasi noon nanonood ka lang sa TikTok that
Yes.
is interviewing someone and now ikaw na yung aking in-interview and yeah, it can really sense that it is really legit. And you know, when you apply here, we don't makes you feel like you don't belong here kasi nga sabi mo nga as a fresh graduate, you don't have any experience. But look at you right now, how many months are you here now? You're hired?
1 month pa lang.
Oh, di ba? Tapos ngayon,
Yes.
ka na, and ikaw na ngayon yung ini-interview ko, and malay mo ngayon, yung video na to is gagamitin natin for other applicants to see. So, nung nag-apply ka ba, nahirapan ka ba? Does the application, is it rough or smooth?
Very smooth po, as in hindi po ako nahirapan. It's fast po talaga. Like, after, nakal-indicate po kasi ng parang 48 hours lang ba. So, to that nga po na nakatanggap talaga ako ng application within 48 hours ng update ko.
Ang bilis naman. So, hindi ka ba talaga nagtaka nun na baka scam nga siya? Kasi nga, di ba, ang bilis lang ng pag-send ng application sa'yo or ng notification sa'yo, hindi ka ba nagdalawang isip?
At first, parang nagdalawang isip po. Risk pa rin po ako. Tapos, after nun, nung nakita ko parang invited ako through an interview, I felt na, ay, legit po pala talaga to since I'll be interviewed na po.
So, did the instructions and interviews steps feels like clear to you as you went through them?
Yes, very detailed po as in yung process talagang may guide po talaga. And every process po, may instructions, may emails po kung paano yung gagawin.
So, what exactly or how many days exactly nung na-hire ka after you got interviewed?
I think po, within 1 week or 5 days lang po talaga. Since after nung assessment po, may quick assessment po kasi din sa Google Forms. Tapos after po nung quick assessment, within 48 hours, nag-send po ng application for ng update for interview. And after po nun, I think, the evening po, nung nag-send po update, pwede na ako mag-schedule. And nung evening na din po na yun, nag-schedule na din po ako since may open slot ako for interview.
So, di ba, ang bilis lang, no? Tsaka hindi siya mahirap. And
Yes.
it's really a good thing that you take the risk, di ba? Kasi nga, you're a fresh graduate, you don't have experience. And look at
Yes.
1 month ka na dito sa amin, di ba? So, ano yung isang bagay na nag-surprise sa'yo upon the hiring process?
Surprise po ako yung nasa una. Very steep po talaga in smooth ng process. And also, syempre po, parang naano din ako because yung people po talaga accommodating sila kahit sa mismong hiring process pa lang. And even pagdating mo po sa work, talagang may proper guidance and sobrang open po sila to guide you tuwing may questions ka po.
So, hindi mo talaga mafe-feel na hindi ka welcome, no? Kasi
Yes.
you don't feel like hindi ka belong and you can really sense na all the teams here are willing to help you. Minsan kasi kapag newbie ka, natatakot kang mag-reach out, di ba? And
Yes.
syempre, parang sabi mo baka babagalitan ka kasi nga tanong ka ng tanong. But, di ba, you can really feel na they are willing to help you, di ba? And they're eager.
Yes.
Now, so what type of tasks do you usually do to your job right now or in your role?
In my role po right now, we're doing po screening of applicants na nag-a-apply po through our website, through TikTok, or specifically po me, I'm assigned po dun sa applicants na nag-a-apply through OLJ.
So,
And we're assessing po them and scheduling them po for interviews.
so nahihirapan ka ba ngayon or nasasayan ka on your job right now? Do you enjoy?
Ayun po. And yung workload naman po, although marami since maraming nag-a-apply, pero hindi po siya super bigat since may mga katulong naman din po ako from the HR po.
So, can you tell me who is that person to help you?
Ang pinaka-head po namin is si Miss Mary, yung admin. And they are helping mo po, especially po si Miss Jess. Halos same work po may Miss Jess and Miss Trish screen ng applicants. Then after screening po, may endorse na po for interview for either po kay Miss Mary or kay Miss Crystal. And then sila na po yung bahala mag-assess nung sa interview.
That was great, no? Kasi as a newbie, marami ka nang kakilala here in our company. At knowing na kapasok mo pa lang, and they didn't hesitate to help you. So, now that you're in a remote setup, how do you stay connected with your team? Or how do you communicate with them to make sure that everything is on track?
We have a Slack po kasi so we communicate there po whenever po for example sa OLJ po, minsan po kasi sa OLJ may times na nag-error siya. So, nahihirapan po kami i-access yung mga applicants na nag-send. So may mga days po na hindi talaga namin nakaka-page. So naghihingi po kami ng tulong and we communicate po yung lahat ng issues and problems po through Slack. And yun po, may mga channels po kami doon. For example, built for recruiting updates.
Mhm.
And ilan po yung na-recruit namin per day. And yung per month po kasi need po namin itali din yung mga total recruits po for the month since indicated po siya doon sa KPI sheet namin.
It was great. At parang masasense ko talaga na you're a fast learner, really knowledgeable enough for this kind of jobs. And what usually types of tools or apps do you use most of these days in connection with that?
Usually po yung tools lang namin now ay yung mismong Google Sheet po for our tracking po ng applicants for the KPIs and Google Docs naman po for the SOPs, yung procedures po on the hiring, and also sa Slack naman po for updating
Yeah.
the applicants sa recruiting channel, and Hubstack po for our time tracking.
So yung mga apps ba to is ikaw lang nag-aaral or someone guided you also?
May mga binibigay pong SOP, so indicated naman po doon paano. And if nalilito naman po, kahit may SOP, din Miss Ana po specifically yung nag-guide sa mga tools po. If ever may hindi ka alam po or kung ano yung i-access mo po doon, siya po yung nag-guide.
That's good. So with that, what do you think is that one skill that you feel like you level up the most since you started?
I think po first is yung productivity po talaga and yung time management. Since I feel like when working po kasi, di ba, working from home, you feel like more comfortable po since you're at home lang working. And at the same time, you're more productive po. And also, time management naman po since hindi naman po yung isang account lang yung nakahawakan namin. Different accounts din. So, kailangan po namin i-handle ng maayos kung paano makuha lahat ng applicants within the day sa different websites po.
Yeah, it's really good to hear that you learned a lot of new skills, especially na newbie ka pa lang, you got hard lang. And I'm looking forward for you to do and to see some new skills na malalaman pa ngayon here in our company. And with that, how does it feel to have a team that handles when things get tricky or sometimes there are mistakes?
I think I would rate po talaga is 10 since nung mga first weeks ko po talaga, syempre parang medyo nangangapa pa po, medyo hindi alam yung ibang tools kung paano gagamitin or paano yung magiging process, kahit yung pag-update po sa Slack, I don't even know po how. Pero yun nga po, throughout the process, for example, may mga nalilito po akong bagay, I can message po the team and they are very willing to respond po and they respond fast po talaga and guided me po all throughout. So yung parang yung learnings ko po doon, parang a contribution din po ng help nila po.
That's good. Kasi you can really top them, no? And one thing that I heard among the other interviews that I interviewed, they told me na kahit daw busy pa yung mga seniors nila, they still have the time to reply and yun, tulungan yung mga newbies just like you. And it's really a good sign that here in our company, it's really a healthy environment because we don't let our newbies feel na hindi sila appreciated or somehow they feel inferior. And you know, it's really good thing to have that kind of feedback kasi malalaman mo talaga na you're in the right company, di ba?
Yes po.
And with that, how was working remotely change your lifestyle or your daily routine?
Remote, yun nga po, like what I said, working remotely po, I feel like I am more productive since I work efficiently since I am comfortable po working at home. And I think it's more like less hassle po since no more commuting, especially po sa Manila, the traffic, and then waking up very early, syempre pagagayak pa and such. But working remotely po, although you wake up po, may mga times talagang igising ka since mag-EN ka na. However, hindi mo po ma-feel na papasok ka pa lang pagod ka na kasi galing kang biyahe. Kaya papasok ka po,
Yeah,
na punong-puno talaga ng energy.
kahit bagong gising ka, di ba? You don't need to wear some fancy
Yes.
clothes or even formal.
Yes po.
Kahit kakagising mo pa lang, maglalagin ka, di ba? And you can really sense that you're comfortable, di ba? At saka at
Yes
the same
po.
time, you can save some money, right? Kasi hindi ka na magko-commute, tapos less traffic din. At the same time, malapit ka rin sa family mo.
Yes po.
And aside from that, do you have some hobbies ba na nalaman mo na pwede mong gawin upon your work right now? Like after your shift or after your task? Meron ka bang mga bagong hobbies na nagawa?
Lately po, parang I tried po to walk and run. Since I have more time po kasi, so parang nakakapag hindi ako work from home. Siyempre yung time po na ilalaan ko for jogging or for walking. Yes, siyempre ipapahinga ko na lang po since mapapagod ako. So yun po lately, yun po yung ginagawa ko. I'm staying healthy din po. At the same time, I'm working after shift ko po.
Yeah, parang work-life balance, no? At the same
Yes po.
you're staying healthy. Kasi minsan kasi kapag nasa harap ka rin ng laptop, papagod dun sa likod, back pain, ganun, then sa eyes.
Yes po.
And it's really important to you also take time to do some extracurricular activities. And it's really a good thing that you do some walking or jogging kasi nga, makapapawis ka rin, di ba, at the same time.
Yes po.
Saka makakagalaw-galaw ka din. So, iwas minsan ng stiff and back pain.
Opo.
So, yeah, with that, remote work can sometimes feel lonely. And how does remote Philippines jobs make you feel part of a real team?
First po talaga, yun po feel ko talaga sa akin is yung healthy environment, na healthy team po within, specifically po yung team namin sa HR. Since, yun nga po, like, what I said earlier, parang hindi nila pinaparamdam sa'yo na superior ka or hindi mo po nararamdaman na parang, ay, beginner lang ako, parang ang hirap mag-reach out pag may kailangan ako or ang hirap mag-feel na mahihiya ka pag may issues ka, biglang nagka-issue sa
Mhm.
mga systems, hindi ka po mahiyang mangyay. Since sa kanila na po mismo nanggagaling na kahit busy, basta whenever, parang whenever na nasa shift pa kami, as long as nasa shift kami, okay lang na mag-message para mag-,
Yeah, and they're really finding a way, no, diba, to help you or to provide you some solutions. Kasi that is also one of our goals here, not just to help you to grow professionally, but also personally. And
Yes.
with that, we're looking forward talaga to hire some applicants na hindi rin talaga takot to reach out to other person. Kasi, you won't really know what will happen when you don't try, diba?
Yes po.
So now with that, before you found the RPJ, what was your biggest challenges with your life as a fresh graduate? And how did joining our agency solve that?
Siguro po, one of the biggest challenges siguro is, since fresh grad nga, hihirapan kang maghanap ng work since ang iniisip mo lang is wala kang experience. As in, zero experience ka po coming from the college po, yung school, talagang ang experience mo lang is OJT and if ever na may mga orgs ka na sinabihan, yun lang po. But yung real world po sa corporate world or sa mismong job po, wala ka talagang experience. And then, nag-try nga ako nag-release talagang, they are very open naman na okay lang na wala kang experience as long as meron kang skills na hinahanap or yung perseverance mo para matuto ng new things,
Mhm.
ng mga tools. And, syempre po, indicated naman din doon na even na may, na may skills ka, syempre kailangan mo pa rin i-develop and tutulungan ka nila through trainings naman po na pinaprovide nila.
Tsaka diba kapag fresh graduate ka, the pressure of finding a job.
Yeah.
Tsaka, siyempre marami talagang ways on how to find a job. It's really up to you on how to take a risk or overcome some situations like that. And can I ask, what was your course, by the way?
I'm a graduate po of Management Accounting from the Polytechnic University of the Philippines po sa Santa Mesa.
So, diba kahit nga iba nga yung course mo, diba, you really find a way. Kasi nga, syempre, mahirap talaga maghanap ng work na related or line sa yung field, diba, or course.
Yeah.
And dito, here in our company, we don't have that specific degree or diploma mo na hinahanap. What we really find here is someone who is eager to learn and at the same time, kahit nga walang experience, there is really room for improvement. And isa lang naman goal namin dito is, yung talagang passionate ka on your job and you can do that job like perfectly or kahit hindi naman kahit sabi na hindi siya perfectly but you can do it like completely or kaya mo talaga siya. You tried your best naman, diba, to prove that you are fit with that role and talagang makikita namin na you are really passionate about it. And tingnan mo ngayon, diba, you have a lot of teammates na kilala mo kahit newbie ka pa lang and you also learn some new things na malay mo sa susunod magagamit mo rin, diba, in some ways na.
Yes.
Do you think or do you feel you're grown professionally here? And what skills now that you have na hindi mo expect na matututunan mo?
Yes, na-feel ko po talaga na kahit mas pala ako na talagang nag-grow ako. Since, yun nga po, the skills po na I developed talaga is yung communication skills ko since I've been communicating openly na po. Parang hindi ka na nahihiya to reach out whenever you have issues. Isa sa mga skills na na-learn ko ma-develop. And siyempre, even po sa nakakaya naman po talagang kumausap ka sa newbie ng mga superior sa'yo. Since baka busy po or what, parang ganon. Or baka magalit kasi parang hindi ka pa masyadong sa process, used to it.
Yeah.
And then pero yun po, parang na-develop po siya along the way and sobrang din po talagang malaking tulong din na naging comfortable na ako to reach out po kasi they are very open naman po talaga to help.
Yeah, that was great. And it's really a good experience, no? Kasi first job mo pa nga to and then you have a really nice and healthy environment. And sabihin man natin, we're gonna do resign here, but syempre hanapin mo talagang ganyang environment in any agency. And it's really a good thing that you found at first job a healthy environment. A lot of people worry about the stability of having a remote job. So what makes you feel that you are secure and at home here in our company?
Feel ko po na secure ako kasi yun nga po, first po talaga, yung mismong process po kasi na ginagawa namin yung parang may assurance din po talaga, parang ina-assure talaga nila na mag-grow ako within this team, within this organization. And yun nga po, yung work po kasi very healthy po kasi yung environment. So parang nafe-feel mo talaga na stable siya, na talagang you don't have to worry po since pinapasig din talaga nila sa inyo ng team na may assurance po talaga yung ginagawa mong work dito and very stable po talaga.
Yeah, you can really feel na they're willing to give you the job as long as you're
Yes.
dedicated also and serious about it. That. And for someone who's watching us right now, what would be your advice to them, especially those newbies na afraid din na maghanap ng job, lalo na ngayon in remote world, and they feel like yun nga hesitant sila kasi nga wala silang experience. Anong mapapayo mo sa kanila?
One of the advice ko siguro is na wag matakot na mag-explore ng new things, ng new opportunities, to be open po sa opportunities even if it's not aligned po with the course that you have graduated or the skills that you have since I believe naman po the skills are learnable po. It's easy to learn as long as may proper training or guidance ka po. And syempre po, to try risking po, don't be afraid. Parang don't let fear stop you as long as you know that the job is worth it and you will go there. don't try to, parang wag pong mahiya, matatakot na mag-risk. And with exploring naman po, we try to explore po as much as you want. And also, with exploring, dapat you need to research din.
Yeah.
So, for you to learn po, specifically pag hindi align sa'yo, you need to research din po para ma-align yung skills na hinahanap nila, para mag-gain ka rin ng knowledge po dun sa skills niyo.
But guys, narinig yun na si Miss Allison, siya na mismo nagsabi sa inyo that you should take some risk. Kasi wala naman talaga mangyayari sa'yo if you don't take some actions. Hindi naman kami yung lalapit sa inyo, but it's really important also that you find a courage to apply. Kasi hindi mo talaga malalaman if you won't take the risk. Kasabihan nga tayo na it's either you take the risk or rather lose the chance. So,
Yes.
actually, maraming mga opportunity. It's really up to you paano ka mag-discarte and how you to find a way na makahanap agad ng trabaho. And syempre, alam ko rin yung pressure ng pagiging fresh graduate, hesitations nyo kasi wala ka pang experience. But here really, in our company, we accept both with experience and without experience. Kasi yung goal lang naman namin dito is to provide you some jobs. And in that X deal, all you need to do is to do your job well, you are eager to learn new things, and at the same time to work professionally. And, you know, you can grow here personally. And I can really say that Miss Allison can vouch for our company na we are legit and we're not scam. And at the same time, Miss Allison, do you have some bribery that happened upon applying? Nagbayad ka ba ng fees or not?
Smooth po talaga lahat. Very detailed, very efficient.
Yeah, Miss Allison, siya nang nagsabi ng lahat. And you know, what we are wanting you to know is that you are encouraged to apply with us, and hindi naman siya like required na you have this specific age as long as you are responsible and willing to apply in our company. And yes, with that, thank you so much for opening up and sharing your journey with us, Miss Allison. And you know, we are so lucky to have you in our company, and I'm looking forward to meet you in person because you know you really look pretty. And you know, at the same time, I want to thank you for giving me your time to be interviewed and sharing your experience here in our company. And to everyone watching, thank you for tuning in our Remote Philippines Job Spotlight, and we hope to see you in our next one. Miss Allison, thank you so much.
Thank you so much for meeting me, and thank you for everyone. Thank you for the opportunity to be interviewed and to share my journey with you all. Thank you so much po.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Bye po.
Bye.